I will have to remove and put the lens and then I'll wrap it with that cloth later.
So hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So currently I've just dropped my car for washing because my mom shouted at me and the boys have come to pick me up. Yo G's, what's up? Let's do this. Today we are helping Alistair do a reel for Uncle Jay's. I'm gonna put a link in the description below of the place. I don't know what's his idea, but he just said come along. And we're black. I don't know why we're wearing black, but okay, for some reason.
I'm wearing white, Mary.
That's why we're doing the black and white series today. Oh, those Nikes.
One Piece man.
Uncle Jay is right around the corner, so we're going to walk it through. And let's see what Alistair has planned for us and what he intends on doing with those shakes and pancakes.
There's a rally going out over here.
This is the main Panjim church and we have Uncle Jay's right here. So guys, we are currently here with Alistair to promote Uncle Jay's and try out their new secret menu. I'm going to drop a link in the description below so that you guys can come visit this store and have a nice shake, have a nice waffle or something even on their secret menu as well. And yeah, there's a lot of distraction over here. Voice isolation in Premiere Pro. Better take the B-rolls and keep, right? Milkshakes and more. So, and we're starting off with the mango milkshake. Ivan is doing his taste test.
Items are on secret menu.
Yeah, exactly. That's what. And taste test.
So are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Sorry to
No added sweetness, no sugar, just pure mango pulp with milk. It's the absolute solution to beat the summer heat, guys. This is another drink that we have. It's called the Vimto. Right here, mate. Taste test. It's very close to all the berries that are mixed in this with a couple of herbs. Very refreshing. These are the ingredients that they use in the Vimto. Something new, man. Something that I've never tried actually before. So the dark peanut butter waffle right now. Need to try out the peanut butter waffle, but Alistair is just finishing off his reel. Alistair just got done with his reel work, so we were shooting, couldn't do our vlogs. So this is the peanut butter and banana waffle. I'm going to do a quick taste test of this. And the banana. Some good stuff right here. Cat shake. Yeah. Nutella. And tiramisu for me. After a nice review that we did over there, we picked up a couple of drinks and waffles as well. I have the tiramisu and I'm gonna try how that is. We also got an Oreo and dark chocolate pancake it's in there. And a dark chocolate waffle and we're gonna do a quick review on that for the YouTube channel. Yeah, there were a lot of crowd over there, so we were feeling a bit awkward, but okay, we can do this.
We can do this. It's fine. One day or another we need to be there. I mean, I'm not yet comfortable. This guy speaks, bro.
Because you worked out so hard, bro.
Okay, so this is the dark chocolate waffle which we used in the reel, and this one's the Oreo waffle.
I'm gonna do a quick review on this.
So this is Kit Kat shake.
It kind of tastes like cold coffee.
Should I be honest with the review?
I think when the lady entered Uncle Jay's. I think she ordered cold coffee and they swapped my drinks by mistake. But it's okay. Their cold coffee also tastes pretty good. Not that bad. Oreo waffle is like a 3 out of 10. Peanut butter one, I would rate it at least a 8 on 10 because that was something. And even the dark chocolate is like a 8.5, 9 on 10. So if you're a dark chocolate person, go try. Oh, sorry guys, sorry. So if you're a dark chocolate person, you can definitely come here and give it a shot. And after this now I'm heading to Ori's place with Keegan and Elton because my man is turning 25 today. I'm gonna get a cake. I'm gonna see where I can get a cake. That's the most important thing. I think I'll just go meet Keegan. I think we'll sort out things from there on. And yeah, see you guys later.